Hi everyone and welcome to SEO Reseller. This tutorial is going to show you from start to finish how to use the Lead Finder tool to get more leads for your business and demonstrate a streamlined process of locating them up to contacting them. First thing that you have to do is log into your account. If you don't have one, just sign up. It's free, it's easy, and it's really fast. Now we're on the dashboard and we're just going to go over to the Agency Tools tab and click Lead Finder. You're going to see two search bars. It's pretty straightforward. On the left, you have the location, and on the right, you have your target niche. Just type in what you want to look for. For example, you're looking for optometrists in San Antonio. Just type in the location, then the market that you want to target, and then click Generate Leads. Once it's done, just click the pop-up and it'll get you to the lead generation dashboard. So here we have the lead generation or the Lead Finder dashboard where you can see everything you need to qualify a lead. You have icons telling you what a business has or what they don't have, and it's up to you to judge whether it's a qualified lead or not. Here you can see it's found 31 leads, 12 have no SEO, 12 have no AdWords, and then 11 have no social media. They all have websites though, but all 31 of them don't have a good reputation online. Everyone in this list is already a qualified lead. You just have to pluck the ones that you think is suitable to target. Over to the last column, you'll see these icons. There's the SEO icon, AdWords icon, social media, and then the online reputation icon. They will light up if the lead has them. Otherwise, they will remain gray. A quick tip, if you see that all the icons are gray, that's an immediate sign that you have found a lead that needs your services. And when you do, you can contact them directly or send them an email, which you can do right on the dashboard. Now, if you hover the cursor on the right side of the panel, a blue bar will appear with 4 icons. The first one is the marketing automation icon. Then you have the SEO audit icon, email icon, and save lead icon. Let's say you decided to go with this lead right here. The first thing that you're going to do is check their website and see if it looks good. Do they have a nice blog? Is their GMB activated? Are they doing their SEO right? Once you assess it for yourself and see that they need some work done, you have to run an SEO audit by clicking the icon right here. This will check their website's performance, assess it in a more technical way. You just have to wait a few seconds, and then when it's done, click on the pop-up to open the report. Okay, this website got a D, which means a lot of work needs to be done. And here you can see how they are doing in terms of page speed, organic traffic, technical SEO, on-page and off-page SEO, social activity, and more. It's giving you a full report of the website's health. And you can use this information and present it to your lead or potential client when you reach out to them. Once you decide that you like this lead and this is the lead that you're looking for, go back to the dashboard and click the Save Leads icon to save it in your contacts. Now it's time to contact your lead. You can call them or send them a straightforward email by clicking the Send Email button right here and write your message directly on the dashboard, or you can run an automation or a drip campaign. It's simple to use. Just click the Run Automation icon on the blue bar. Once you're in the Marketing Automation page, you can click the Action tab and create a sequence. You can use this for all the leads you qualified from a certain niche. In this case, we're doing one for optometrists in San Antonio. In the left sidebar is where you design the flow of your email, and on the right is where you write your message. I'm just writing the first email that I'm going to send out and then add a 1-day delay before I send the next email. Click the Add Delay button to choose a time interval of when you want to send your next email. Then click the Add Another Email button to create the next email that you want to send. You can add as many emails in your sequence as you like and set the interval of when you want to send them. You can edit and tweak, it all depends on you. Once you're done designing your email sequence, create a title and click Save. Now that you have your email automation for optometrists in San Antonio, go back to the dashboard, choose your lead, and click the Run Automation icon on the blue bar. Next, activate the email sequence you want, and you're done. Repeat the process, and there you have it, a straightforward way of generating and contacting your leads. I hope this helps you out, and if you have any questions at all, just leave it in the comment section below, or feel free to contact our account managers through our website at seoreseller.com. Thanks for watching.